Right now it is 2 o'clock in Colorado Springs and it is 43 degrees right now. And at 5 o'clock we have 2 extreme weather warnings coming in. 1 for heavy excessive snowfall and 2 for dangerous cold. It's gonna be a good one. We're supposed to get 4 to 8 inches of snow. So we gotta get some stuff ready. As you guys saw last week, we got this guy and we mounted this plow on it. I went to Ace and got 2 snow shovels, 1 little one, 1 big one, and then a push broom for cars, as well as a bucket with some rock salt in it. So far, there is one crucial error with the plow, and that is it just isn't enough weight. So it likes to pick up and leave some snow behind. Okay, so I just have some old 4-inch PVC pipe. Oh, ah. That's good. I gotta go rinse everything off and I'm not gonna film it because I gotta be at baseball in like 9 minutes. So I'm on my way to baseball. We got blue skies over here and then there's the storm. So I came home from practice maybe half an hour ago and everything's already covered in snow. Okay, so I think we're ready to go and do some stuff. One down. Driveway number 2. Driveway number 3, down. Got some rock salt for this one. Driveway number 4, down. Driveway number 6, maybe? Okay, driveway number 7 down. Driveway number 8. Okay guys, so that's all the driveways I have for this video, and this was actually kind of a bad day to be filming it because normally I do like 12 to 20 and I only did I think 8 today, but today's total was like 215, I think, somewhere around there, and that's kind of a low day. Normally I'm like 400-ish in a day. So let me know if you guys want to do another day where it's more snow. Some of my clients texted me and said because it was so little they would either do it themselves or they just let it melt off. But you know, spring's coming up and we're supposed to get some spring dumpers this year. So if you guys want to see like 1 or 2 feet of snow, just drop it in the comments. And YouTube thinks you'll like this video right here, so you should probably watch it. See ya.